The average mass of the 3 tins of canned food shown is 420 grams. The mass of each tin is a 3-digit number. The labels on 2 of the tins are partly torn, here and here. Find the total mass of the tin of sardines and the tin of beans. What is the total mass of all 3 tins? Since we know the average mass of the 3 tins, we can take the average and multiply it by 3. We get the total, 1,260 grams. We know the total, we know corn. By subtraction, we get the total of the other 2. 830 grams. Find the largest possible difference in mass between the tin of sardines and the tin of beans. What is the largest possible mass for sardines? We look at the torn label. It starts with 3. It is a 3-digit number. What is the largest number that starts with 4 and it has 3 digits? 499 grams. Subtract this from this to get the mass for beans. 331 grams. But the last digit for beans is 9, not 1. So we have to adjust it. What is the adjusted mass of beans? 339 grams. What is the adjusted mass for sardines? Subtract from 830 grams, we have 491 grams. What is the difference in mass? 152 grams. The average mass of the 3 tins of canned food shown is 380 grams. The mass of each tin is a 3-digit number. The labels on 2 of the tins are partly torn. Find the total mass of the tin of sardines and the tin of beans. Average times 3 gives us the total. Total minus mass of corn gives us the total mass for sardines and beans. Next, we find the largest possible difference in mass between the tin of sardines and the tin of beans. The largest possible mass for sardines is 499 grams. Subtract from 710 grams and we have mass of beans 211 grams. But the last digit is 9, so adjust for the beans, 219 grams. The mass of sardines will be affected by the change. So 710 grams minus 219 grams. We get the adjusted mass for sardines, 491 grams. The difference between these two, 272 grams. The total mass of a tin of sardines and a tin of beans is 770 grams. The mass of each tin is a 3-digit number. The labels on the tins are partly torn. Find the smallest possible difference in mass between them. Let's make a table. For sardines, the mass starts with 4. We want the smallest possible difference. Let's choose the smallest possible number, a 3-digit number that starts with 4. What is that number? 400. 770 minus 400. We get 370. But the last digit for beans is 9, not 0. So we adjust this 379. Subtract from this, we have 391. Now that's a problem. It's supposed to start with 4, not 3. So this cannot be the answer. We continue. Another number that ends with 9. 389. Again, subtract from this. It still starts with 3, not 4. In fact, it is getting smaller. 400 to 391 to 381. Let's confirm it. 371. So we are heading in the wrong direction. Let's change direction. Instead of choosing a number bigger than 370, let's choose something smaller than that. That ends with a 9. 369. Subtract from this. Now we have 4. That's good. The difference is 32 grams. Let's check further. Subtract. We have 52, which is bigger than this. So this is better. Is this the answer? Let's check. Continue the pattern. 72. So it seems that this is the answer. How can we be sure if we don't check further? Because if you look at the top, the numbers are becoming bigger and bigger, and soon it will reach 500, more than 500. So we can safely confirm that the smallest possible difference is 32 grams.